This Century 21 Premier Realtors property video is presented by Century 21 Premier Realtors. Charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in Killeen. Built in 2008, this beautifully maintained 1,840 square foot home offers a spacious and inviting floor plan perfect for modern living. With 3 generous bedrooms and 2 full baths, the home features a bright, open living space, a well-appointed kitchen, and a cozy dining area ideal for family gatherings. The large backyard provides plenty of room for outdoor entertaining, and the quiet, established neighborhood adds to the charm. Conveniently located near schools, shopping, and local amenities, this is the great place to call home. Don't miss out. For more information, review the details below or contact Century 21 Premier Realtors at 254-547-9991.